CIBITARI LIFECARE nĩkĩte gĩikaro na kweyana ũtungata bwa ũtheri kĩrĩ mũingĩ ntere cha MIKINDURI nĩ ũntu buria bukarĩkĩte ndene skuru ya MIKINDURI primary na aria AKARI bombĩte kuthiwa baikinya kenda kuona ũteithio bwa ũtheri buru CIBITARI ĩngĩ nĩ ngwatanĩrĩte na ndwang'i cia kurungamĩra arimũ nĩcho KUPPET na KNUT kĩrĩ kweyana ũtungata bubu.
Hatujajua jina ya jeshi.
Why healthcare is very, very important, and LifeCare Hospital saw it fit to come to this region, Tingania Central, where now we want to take care of the wellness of the general public and our teachers. LifeCare Hospital is one of the facilities that is providing services to teachers in Meru County, and we really are grateful that they found some time to come to MIKINDURI region to take care of our people health-wise. We know as a service provider, they have really assisted our members, even where we require some ambulances to take our members either to Nairobi Hospital, Nairobi West, in a partnership with the unions. And as union officials, we've really supported this idea, and we are grateful that this is one of the corporate social responsibility that the hospital is offering to the general public and also the teachers.
We are really pleased to be here in MIKINDURI in conjunction with the Meru LifeCare Hospitals to provide medical services to our population, the general population and the teachers. And actually we are very happy to have this function taking place today around here, not forgetting that we also had one in the North just the other day, and we are here to thank the LifeCare Hospitals management for what they have done to us.
Partnership yetu ndio tutebete sana up to now tukita ke all sub counties kana ile chonde with discussion of course na leadership and not na KUPPET to identify nara kuna problems na kana kuna thina chaiti na ranya ntu betu batikombo kinya CIBITARI tukia tabuleta service ya kuna na babwe na ningo chokering kado kia our people want to respond boya to abuita boya bwatetuka na want to all kinds of specialists.
We are here with the teachers from KNUT and from KUPPET. These are those organizations which actually create a parenting stone for all the children across Kenya. And here we are talking about a healthy nation, we are talking about a knowledgeable nation.